Turn it on. See if there's any leaks. So far, so good. You know, when you get to this point and then you figure out you did something wrong. I assume it'll take a minute for the air to get out of the system. Looking pretty good. Well, I hope it tastes good. Alright, so that's that. Here's the faucet. Cold water. Hot water's off. So I guess it still somewhat mixes the water. Alright, let's turn this hot water back on. I guess I don't really need to fool with that since it's broken. Let's turn the hot water back on. This valve was sticky as heck, so hopefully I don't break anything right now. Shoot. And I don't want to pinch my hand either. Need some leverage.